Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where Korean gets a little easier, one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 일상과 명절에 자주 접하는 떡 이름을 같이 익혀볼게요.
Okay, real question. I see duck in Korean dramas at markets and during holidays, but is all of it just called duck?
좋은 질문이에요. 따 is the big word, like rice cake. But there are many kinds with their own names.
오늘은 네 단어를 잡아볼게요. 떡, 인절미, 가래떡, 꿀떡. You will hear these in daily life and on holidays.
So today is not grammar heavy. We'll learn what each rice cake is called, recognize it, and say when people eat it.
맞아요. 오늘의 기본 문장은 이건 빈칸이에요. 입니다. In English, this means this is blank.
If the word ends in a consonant, use 이예요. 이건 떡이에요. This is rice cake.
이건 떡이에요. So buck is the big category word.
네, 떡 is made mainly from rice. It can be chewy, soft, sweet, plain, long, round, or filled.
한국에서는 간식으로도 먹고 명절 음식으로도 먹어요. In Korea, people eat 떡 as a snack and for holidays.
이제 첫 번째 이름이에요. 인절미. 인절미 is soft rice cake covered with roasted soybean powder.
이건 인절미예요. This is 인절미.
이건 인절미예요.
I'm listening for the powder clue.
콩고물.
좋아요. 콩고물은 roasted soybean powder예요. 인절미 has that nutty, powdery outside.
두 번째는 가래떡이에요. 가래떡은 길어요. 가라에테옥 is long rice cake.
가래떡은 길어요.
That shape is the clue.
맞아요. 가래떡 is often sliced into oval pieces for 떡국, the rice cake soup many people eat for New Year.
세 번째는 꿀떡이에요. 이건 꿀떡이에요. 꿀떡 is a small rice cake with a sweet filling inside.
이건 꿀떡이에요.
Small, maybe colorful, and sweet inside.
여기서 꿀 literally means honey, but in 꿀떡 it usually points to the sweet syrup-like filling inside.
이제 상황으로 볼게요. 떡국에는 가래떡을 넣어요. In 태옥각, people put sliced 가래태옥.
So for 떡국,
I should not picture little sweet.
꿀떡,
I should picture sliced.
가래떡.
정확해요. 그리고 인절미는 간식으로 자주 먹어요. 인제오미 is common as a snack or dessert.
그리고 기본으로 돌아가면 이건 떡이에요. If you do not know the exact type, 떡 is still okay as the broad word.
That helps. Dog is safe as the category, and the special names are more specific.
이번에는 짧은 대화를 들어보세요. Listen for the situation. Snack, soup, and sweet filling. 이건 뭐예요?
인절미예요. 간식으로 먹어요.
떡국에는 뭐를 넣어요?
가래떡을 넣어요.
꿀떡은 어때요?
안에 달콤한 소가 있어요.
I heard,
인절미.
with snack,
가래떡. With 떡국. And 꿀떡.
with sweet filling inside.
좋아요. Now repeat after me. 떡. Keep it short and firm.
떡.
좋아요. Final 기억 closes the syllable. Don't say an extra sound after it.
다음은 가래떡이에요. 가래떡이에요. This means it is 가라 에떼옥.
가래떡이에요.
완벽해요. And one more. 꿀떡이에요? It is 극구할때옥.
꿀떡이에요.
Common mistake time. A learner sees any rice cake and says only top every time. That is understandable, but not always specific enough.
떡 is not wrong as the big category. But if you know the type, say 인절미, 가래떡, or 꿀떡, it sounds more natural.
So, if I see powder on the outside, not just duck, I can say,
인절미예요.
맞아요. If it is long white rice cake for soup, say 가래떡이에요.
And for 꿀떡, remember the inside. 꿀떡은 안에 달콤한 소가 들어있는 떡이에요. In English, 그거 어떡 has a sweet filling inside.
Let me try a correction.
꿀떡을 떡국에 넣어.
Sounds suspicious because
떡국,
usually uses.
가래떡.
좋아요. Quiz 1. You hear 꿀떡을 떡국에 넣어요. What is the problem?
I'm choosing A.
떡국,
Usually takes,
가래떡,
not sweet filled.
꿀떡.
정답이에요. A is natural. 꿀떡 has a sweet filling, so it is not the normal 떡 for 떡국.
Quiz 2. It is sweet and covered with 콩고물. A learner says 꿀떡이에요. What should you say?
That has to be A.
인절미예요. 겉에 콩고물이 단서예요.
맞아요. 콩고물 on the outside is the 인절미 clue. Sweet filling inside is the 꿀떡 clue.
Quiz 3. You do not know the exact type, but you know it is Korean rice cake. What is the safest sentence?
A. 이건 떡이에요.
Use the broad word when I'm not sure.
정답이에요. Dot is the category word. The other choices are specific types, so you need visual or context clues. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 떡은 큰 이름이에요. In English, 떡 is the broad word for Korean rice cake.
둘째, 인절미는 콩고물이 있는 떡이에요. In English, 인절미 has roasted soybean powder on the outside. The outside powder is the clue.
셋째, 가래떡은 길고 떡국에 자주 들어가요. In English, 가래떡 is long and it often goes into rice cake soup.
넷째, 꿀떡은 안에 달콤한 소가 들어있는 떡이에요. In English, 꿀떡 has a sweet filling inside. So the inside is the clue.
Keeper sentence time.
이건 떡이에요.
And if I know the kind, I can swap in.
인절미, 가래떡, or 꿀떡.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 이건 떡이에요. In English, this is rice cake.
그리고 다음에는 좋아해요로 내가 좋아하는 음식을 말해볼게요. We will say what foods we like.
Thanks for climbing with us. I'm Ava, and this was Korean Ladder. See you on the next rung.